Today we are learn about our chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Now standard 7 subject mathematics, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Okay, now in this chapter we are learn two portion. Most important portion is find the ratio and simple interest related sums. Okay, so now first of all we are going to see here find the ratios. So now these are our sums, and how can we find the ratio between particular sum? So 4 kilometer to 400 meter. Second sum is 5 rupees to 50 paisa. Third one is 15 kilogram to 210 grams. Fourth one is that 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Okay, so now as we know that the relation between meter and centimeter, kilogram and grams, kilometer and meters, rupees and paisas. Okay, so now here we are use relation between rupees and paisas, meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter, kilogram and grams, and solve our sum. Okay, so now our first sum is that 4 kilometer to find the ratio between 4 kilometer to 400 meter. So as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I repeat one more time, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer is equal to how? So now 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter. Okay, so now we are comparing 4000 meter with 400 meter. Okay, so now we are write like this, 4000 meter upon 400 meter. Okay, so now 0 cut, 0 cut, 0 cut, 0 cut. So finally we have get 40 upon 4. Okay, so now when we are when we are see the factor of 40, so we have get 4 multiply 10. That means 4 tens are 40 and 4 ones are 4. So same number cancel here. So 4 cancel, 4 cancel. Okay, so 4 cancel, 4 cancel. That means we have get 10 upon 1, 10 upon 1. So now the ratio is, we have get the ratio is 10/1. Okay, now second question is that 5 rupees to 50 paisa. So as we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, so now 5 rupees is equal to how many paisa? So 5 multiply 100 is equal to 500 paisa. Okay, so now we are find ratio between 5 rupees and 50 paisa. So 500 upon 50, that means 0 cut, 0 cut, and we have get 50 upon 5. Okay, so now the factor of 50 is 5 multiply 10, and 5 factor of 5 is 5 multiply 1. Same number cancel here. So 5 cut, 5 cut, then we have get 10 upon 1. So now we have get one more time, the ratio is 10/1. So now the ratio of 5 rupees to 50 paisa is 10/1. Okay, then third sum, 15 kilogram to 210 grams. As we are known about kilogram, relation between kilogram and gram is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 15 kilogram is equal to how? So 15 multiply 1000 is equal to 15,000 grams. Okay, so now we are find relation or ratio between 15,000 grams and 210 grams. Okay, so now we are write like this, 15,000 upon 210. So 0 cut, 0 cut. So finally we have get 1500 upon 21. So now the factor of the 1500 is 3 multiply 50, 50, and the factor of 21 is that 3 multiply 7. So we have get here 50 upon 7, because of same number is cut here or cancel. So now finally we have get 50 upon 7. So now the ratio of this sum is that 57. Okay, last and final one is that 9 meter 227 centimeter. As we are know about the relation between meter and centimeter, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, that means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here we have to given 9 meter. So now 1 meter is equal to 100, so 9 meter is equal to how? That means 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900 centimeter. Okay, so now we need to find here ratio between 9 meter to 27 centimeter. So we are write like this: 900 centimeter upon 27 centimeter. Okay, so when we have factorized 900 and 27, so now the factor of 900 is that 9 multiplied by 100, then 9 multiplied by 3. Now the same number cancel or cut here. So finally we have get 100 upon 3. So now the ratio between 9 meter to 27 centimeter is that 100:3. Okay, so now 100:3 is the ratio between 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Okay, now friends, we are going to our next topic point, which is most important for us. Okay, now today we are see only the summary of the chapter number 8. Okay, so today we are see only the summary of chapter number 8. Now most important question, most valuable sum in our syllabus or in our chapter. Okay, so find the simple interest. Okay, so now before we are going to see simple interest, so we should needs to understood some terminologies about the simple interest and then their formula. Okay, so now the formula of simple interest is that I is equal to PRN upon 100. Okay, so now what is I, what is P, what is R, what is N in our formula? So now I have already write here what is I. So now I is equal to interest, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of the interest. I repeat one more time, R is equal to rate of interest, N is equal to number of years. So now N is equal to numbers of years. Okay, now let's see here our sum. So sum is that simple interest of 500 rupees at 15%. So simple interest of 500 rupees at 15%. For how many years? So for 2 years. Okay, so now here we have to given principal, then rate of the interest and number of the years. Okay, number of the years. Okay, so now we should need to find here I, that means what we are say I means interest. Okay, so now we are applying here the formula of the simple interest. So now this one is the formula of the simple interest. Okay, so what is the formula of the simple interest? So now the formula of the simple interest is that I is equal to PRN upon 100. I repeat one more time, what is the formula of simple interest? So now the formula of the simple interest is that I is equal to PRN upon 100. Now in the formula I is interest, P means principal, R means rate of the interest and N means number of years. Okay, so now we are going to solve our sum. So we have to given each and everything, but now we have not I, that means interest, and here is the question is that find the interest. Okay, so P, that means we have get 500, so we are right here 500. Rate of the interest R, So rate of the interest is equal to 15%. So we are right there 15, and then number of years. So how many numbers of years? So 2 years. So we are right also here 2 years and upon 100. Okay. Now everyone look at here. We have get or set here number according to our formulas. So 0 cut, 0 cut, second 0 cut, second 0 cut. So now finally we have get 5, then 15, 1 5 15, then 2. Okay. Now as we know that in the table number 15, so now table number 15 is that 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75. Okay, so now 15 5s are 75. So we are right here 75 and 2 right here as it is. So now 15 5s are 75 right here and 2 right here as it is. Okay, so right here as it is. Then 75 multiplied by 2. So 75 multiplied by 2. So 75 multiplied by 2 means 75 multiplied by 2. So now what is the multiplication of 75 multiplied by 2? So now we have get here 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 and 1, so 15. Okay, so now I is equal to 150 rupees. So now I means interest, so we have find the I means interest, interest is equal to 150 rupees. Okay, now our second question related to our simple interest. So now here we have to given 100 rupees interest, 100 rupees at 15% rate of the interest is 15%, and we should needs to find here years, number of years, that means number of years, and we have to already given here 300 rupees. Okay, so now everyone look at here, we have get here 300 which is known as I, interest, P is equal to principal, we have get 100 rupees, 15%, so 15% is rate of the interest, and we are find here number of years. So now here is the formula of our simple interest, I is equal to PRN upon 100. So we are write the value of each and every terminology. So now I is equal to 300, P is equal to 100, R is equal to 15%, N is equal to we are find here, and then 100. Okay, now 300 is equal to 100 multiplied by 15 multiplied by n upon 100. So 100 cut 100 cut. So finally we have get 300 is equal to 15 multiply n. Okay, so finally we have get 300 is equal to 15 multiplied by n. Now we are known that we are find here number of years. Okay, so now here is the number of years is equal to 300 upon 1515. Okay, so now the factor of 300 is equal to 15 multiply 20, 15 multiply 20, and then 15, so 15 ones are 15. So here is the our answer. So now n is equal to 20 years. Okay, so now number of year is equal to 20 years. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan. Narayan, Swami Narayan, I have no idea. Well done. કેટલી મિનિટનો બન્યો? 5 મિનિટ થઈ? 5 મિનિટ ઉપર છે. बना करे जे अंदर बताओ तो पकड़ी जाए करो नहीं जाए तो